Hi everyone and welcome back. So in this video I'll tell you guys that how you can install Pixel watch faces on your Samsung Galaxy Watch or any Wear OS smartwatch. So first of all, thanks to XDA developers for pulling out all the watch faces from Pixel Watch. You can check out link to their website from description. I have a bit easy way to install all the 18 watch faces to your Galaxy Watch without using a PC. First of all, you have to make some changes on your Galaxy Watch. For that, go into settings. Scroll down and tap on About Watch. Choose Software Information and tap multiple times on Software Version. Now developer mode is turned on your watch. Next you have to go back into main menu of settings. From here choose Connections. Now turn off Bluetooth and turn on Wi-Fi. Also make sure that your watch is connected to the same Wi-Fi network to which your phone is connected. After that, go back to developer options. Scroll down and turn on ADB debugging. Now turn on debug over Wi-Fi as well. Go back and again tap on developer options. This time you will see an IP address under debug over Wi-Fi section. Just note it down. Moving on to the phone, we have to download that Pixel watch faces file. After downloading it, you have to install an app from Google Play Store, which is Bugjaegar App. Open Bugjaegar App and this is how the interface looks like. Here you will see this little switch icon, just tap it and enter the IP address that you have noted down from your watch. After some time, watch will show a prompt message. Just tap on OK. Now under Packages section, which is in the center, you have to tap on this plus icon at the top. Choose that APK file that you have downloaded before. And that's it. Wait for some time till installation is completed and all the Pixel watch faces will be available soon on your Galaxy Watch, like concentric, analog and many more. Now again we have to make some changes on our Galaxy Watch. For that, go to settings, scroll down and choose developer options. Turn off debug over Wi-Fi and ADB debugging. This step is important as not turning off ADB debugging can drain battery life of your watch. After that, you can go into connection settings and turn on Bluetooth. Also, you can turn off Wi-Fi if you want to. All of the 18 Pixel watch faces will be now available on your Galaxy Watch. There is no battery drain with these watch faces, so you can use them without any problem. This method works on Galaxy Watch 4 as well, so try it out and let me know in the comment section. Also, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.